In this video I'll show you how to play Nervous Breakdown by Black Flag off of the First 4 Years record. But before we begin, remember to like this video and subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every week. And here we go. So this one's kind of a fast and fun one for the 4th of July weekend. It's basically all power chords. It's 2 parts mostly, and it's pretty simple, but it's really fun to play. Great song. So we're going to start off with a B power chord. And then we're going to go up to the E power chord, so it goes. So I'll play it all the way through and then show you. Alright, so like I said, it starts in the B, and you're going to hit it slowly. It sounds like this. So. And that little intermediate note is just an open, so you're just going to hit these three strings, the A, D, G strings, open in between those chords. So, and then you just slide down 2 frets and play the same thing. And that's pretty much it for the intro and verse part. Then it comes to the chorus, and you're going to slide down to a G power chord. And it goes, it's an ascending pattern like this. And it plays it 3 times. Slowly it's. So again, you're going to do kind of a similar thing. When you come back down to the G power chord, you're going to play those open notes in between. So you're basically just going to lift your hand off and play the open strings. Except this time it's going to be the E and A strings. And you can kind of hit the D string too. So again, all the way through. And that's the chorus part, and then in between there's like a very small bridge, and it's just the B power chord, and it's like 2 measures, so you just count in your head 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, and then it goes back into the verse. So I'll play from the end of the chorus to the verse again. Goes 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, so, and then back into the verse. So that last time through on the chorus. And that's basically it. It's those 2 parts through the song. And then at the very end, after the chorus, there's like, it kind of goes into like a half chorus. So it goes like this. And ends on the B chord. So the last part of the chorus is just. So one more time. And that's it for the song. Again, it's pretty easy one to play, all power chords, but it's super fun. So I hope you like this video. Remember to like it and subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every week, and I will be posting the link to the tab for this song in the description, and I'll see you guys next time.